Hi lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. Let me share with you how I made this yummy recipe. Okay, so in the bowl I added 300 ml of warm water, half cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then you start to mix together. You mix well. Then I have 4 cups of flour. I won't be adding it together at once. I'll be adding it just little by little to mix, okay, because we will not be kneading the dough. It doesn't need any kneading. So I just added 1 teaspoon of salt. So I will now mix with the spatula. I'll mix and then add the remaining flour. Okay, shout out to all my newest subscribers. You guys are welcome to my channel. So I'll mix it well. It's all well mixed, as you can see. It has formed a dough without kneading it. It's all smooth and soft now. So I'll just add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. This is to prevent it from sticking to the bowl. Okay, so I will now cover it to rest for 30 minutes. This is to help the dough to rise. Okay, to my returning followers, I appreciate you all. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for the like, comment and share. I truly appreciate it. Okay, so this is 30 minutes. As you can see, the dough has all rise. What I will do next is to apply a little oil on the work board so that the dough will not stick on the board. Okay, so I'll apply the oil and then transfer the dough. I will need it to form circle just like this. After then, I will now use knife to part it in 6 equal parts. Guys, try this recipe and you will love it. Okay, prepare it for your family and they will be glad you did. So I will go ahead to part the dough now in 6 equal parts. So I will use my hand to fold it in and transfer it on a baking tray. Okay, so I will do the same till I finish all the dough. Already I have some vegetables I'll be using for the recipe. I prepared it off camera. Okay, tomatoes, bell peppers, formaggio, that is cheese. Okay, so as you can see, I've transferred the dough in a baking tray lined with baking paper. So I will use my hand to press and spread the dough just like this. Okay, remember to give a space. I didn't give enough space because the tray is not that big, and when it came out from oven, it was joined together. It's not really bad. So when giving your own space, give more than this. Okay, it will give space to stay on its own without lapping or covering on each other. Okay, so I'll make sure I'll press it down and expand the dough very well. So then I'll be applying egg on it. I cracked 1 egg, then I beat the egg very well. Okay, so after that I now added fresh tomatoes, and the white thing you are seeing is cheese, mozzarella, then the bell peppers, yellow, green and red peppers. Guys, you can also follow me on my Facebook page. I also run Facebook page at Annie's Kitchen and Lifestyle. So I do the same on the second pan and then transfer it on the oven. I'll be preheating the oven for 15 minutes. I preheated it for 15 minutes and then allow it to bake for 20 minutes at 300 degrees centigrade. And this is 20 minutes. You can see how yummy it's looking. That's what I was telling you about sticking together because I didn't give enough space. This smells and tastes delicious, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.